Welcome back, friends. Since today we're talking about a bird for our pet, I thought we could read a bird book that says, I love my pet bird. Let's see what's going on in the book today. Oh, I love my pet bird. I take good care of him. Oh, that's a parrot. They go, caw, caw. My pet bird was a chick. It's a baby bird. He didn't have any feathers when he was born. Oh, he has no feathers. Ew. My pet bird grows fast, and he will be very big in about 1 year. Wow, look, he's gonna get a big bird. Mm. My pet bird has very light feathers that help him fly. Oh, they fly in the sky. Most birds have lots and lots of feathers. Oh, I bet they have lots of pretty feathers too, don't they? My pet bird eats many times a day. I give him food and water every day. Oh, they're eating apple seeds. Oh, eating apple seeds can make them sick. So we can't give birdies apple seeds. Oh, look. Looks like he's eating a whole bunch of different bird feed. Yeah. Try to turn paper. My pet bird likes to have a bath every day. I keep his bath water clean. Oh, look, he's taking a bath. Splish, splash, I was taking a bath. And he's a yellow birdie. I make sure my pet bird is healthy. I love my pet bird. Wow, look at all the pretty colors on the birdies. We got a purple and a blue and 2 green ones and a yellow one, and he's got some orange in his. Aww.